Stay tuned to see how I achieve this beautiful twist and curl. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this beautiful twist and curl. Can we get into it? Like the definition, the volume, and this is day one. So before I started styling, I did go in with the Adowa Beauty Blue Tansy Clarifying Shampoo, which strengthens and repairs. It is for damaged or color treated hair. Absolutely love this shampoo. Has a great lather, it's very moisturizing, and it definitely left my hair feeling clean. And then I went in with the Baomint Deep Conditioning Treatment. This is from the original line. This is the travel size of it. This deep conditioner is also bomb. I will insert a clip of my wash day using these products, so let's get into that. Now for styling, I did use two products. First, I used the Blue Tansy Leave-In Conditioning Styler, which is amazing. Absolutely love this leave-in conditioner, and I absolutely think that this could get the job done as a one and done, like with no other product. I think this leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna give it a try, so make sure you stay tuned for that, but I think this could be the perfect leave-in slash styler. So stay tuned for that. But with the leave-in conditioner, I paired it with the Baomint Moisturizing Curl Defining Gel. Now I have used this gel before. It's been probably a year since I last used it. Let me show you the texture of this gel because it's very unique. Very fluffy. It's like a cream type of gel. It's definitely one of those gels that you want to apply to your hand and rub it into your hands before applying it to your hair. But the slip on this gel is crazy. I also did for the takedown and also for fluffing out my hair a little bit on my pick, I used the Blue Tansy Treatment Serum, which strengthens and repairs, and it is silicone free. Absolutely love this little gem here, and a little goes a long way with this product. So let's get into how I styled this beautiful twist and curl. Like, hold on a minute. The fro is froing. Like, the fro is froing. I'm absolutely loving these results. I'm gonna give you a quick 360 and I'm gonna show you exactly what I did to achieve this look. Keep on watching. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Hope that you have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.